How to order items through the Shein app. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can order any items that you'd like through the Shein app. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Shein app on your mobile device. Next, browse the site until you find some clothing that you like. So you can click on search if you're looking for something in particular, or it gives you some ideas of what you can search for under the trending searches and the hot searches. Or you can come here and you can tap on women, curve and plus, kids, men, or any of the other options at the top. So I'm just going to tap on men. Next, you can shop by category, or you can shop by brands, or you can have a look at their flash sale items. So I'm just going to come back up to the top, and I'm going to, if I was looking for say a top today, I'd tap on tops. So you can sort the items, you can sort by recommended, most popular, price, etc. You can choose a category, so it could be men's shirts, polo shirts, t-shirts and tanks. If you're looking for a particular style, you can filter by that also. Just tap on done when you've finished choosing all of your filters. Next, once you find an item that you like, just tap on it. Then you can choose which size you would like to purchase. So I'm going to tap on the medium one there. It gives you the product measurements, so the shoulders and the length and sleeve length, etc. Once you're happy, tap on add to bag. So keep on shopping, keep on browsing, choose as many items as you'd like. Once you've finished browsing and you want to order the items, tap on your bag at the top right hand corner, and here it shows you a summary of everything you've added to your bag. So for example, if I didn't want this one in my bag anymore, I can tap on the minus sign next to the one, and then it will ask me if I want to delete this item. So if I click delete, that item will no longer appear in my bag. Once I'm happy with all of my selections, tap on checkout. Then from here, you just need to add in your shipping address. Then you can save it, then add in your payment details and save those. Once you've finished, tap on place your order, and then your order will then be placed. That's all it takes to place an order through the Shein app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.